Hey, Omar, what are we going to learn today?
Today, we're going to learn about some important Islamic teachings.
Yay! I love learning new things. What's the first thing?
Well, the first teaching is about kindness. In Islam, being kind to others is very important.
Like sharing my toys with my friends?
Exactly! Sharing and helping others makes everyone happy.
What else can we learn about kindness?
We can also learn about being respectful. In Islam, we should always treat everyone with respect, no matter who they are.
How can we show respect?
We can listen when someone is talking, say please and thank you, and be polite.
We can listen when someone is talking, say please and thank you, and be polite.
Yes, Zara, you're a great listener. Hoo-hoo! Welcome, children! Do you want to learn more about Islamic teachings? Another important teaching is about honesty. Always tell the truth.
Even if it's hard?
Yes, being honest helps build trust with others. And when we are honest, we feel good inside. So, what did we learn today?
We learned about kindness, respect, and honesty.
Exactly! You're all learning so well.
And how they are all important in Islam. That's right. Remember, being kind, respectful, and honest makes the world a better place.
Let's always try to be our best.
Yes, let's share what we learned with our friends. Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep learning and being kind.